In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Apple keyboard and mouse to iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to properly set up and use your keyboard and mouse from Apple in conjunction with an iPhone. This process will work with any device that supports Bluetooth, so an iPhone, an iPad, and even Android devices. So all that you have to do is use Bluetooth to connect your keyboard and mouse. So go into the iPhone settings and find the Bluetooth category. Inside of Bluetooth, double check to see if it is enabled. With Bluetooth enabled on the smartphone, all that you have to do now is enable pairing mode on the keyboard and the mouse. If they are currently on, what I recommend is that you turn them off and then back on again. This will essentially reset the pairing mode. So by turning them off and then back on, they will automatically enter pairing mode. Once both the keyboard and the mouse are in pairing mode, they will be discoverable by other devices, including the iPhone. So now you will be able to see the Magic Mouse and Magic Keyboard listed under the Bluetooth devices. If they don't appear here, like I said before, try resetting them, so turn them off and back on again, and make sure that they aren't automatically connecting to something else around the room. So for example, if you previously connected them to a MacBook and the MacBook is nearby, it could be interfering with this connection. But once you clear that out and there are no interferences, you will be able to select it, and the keyboard and the mouse will go under My Devices. So they will appear listed here, and you will be able to use them on your iPhone. You can configure additional settings related to the keyboard and the mouse, set up the cursor however you prefer, and they will be usable natively on your iPhone. You will be given a cursor, and you can type messages using that keyboard. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Apple keyboard and mouse to iPhone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.